Alright, so in what's in the box? What's in the box?
Good morning, YouTube. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday to you all. If you're new over here, I am Amanda. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new vlog.
Got it brown?
Ooh, the sun. So I saw a comment someone made that they need more try and all. One of the things say every day at Christmas, I can't just try and all regular. It's like if I get the stuff them, they would do try and all. If I buy them, I do try and all. If they were bad for me, I do try and all. Y'all know that. Yeah? Y'all supposed to know that by now. Man say try and all. So whenever I get try and all videos is when like stuffs are bought for me. Or when bad man. Chuck and nine. Or when I bought stuff and I just try them on for you guys. Come on, man. Tune into the other videos, man. Tune in. Every day ain't Christmas. Anyways, let me show you the outfit. So this is the hairstyle here. So the outfits. Blue jean slippers, blue shorts. This is that dress. Y'all know I always turn my dress them into a top when we're ready. So this is how it's looking. Yeah, just looking like a top. And me change my handbag. Yeah, my Miss Brown handbag. This is the outfit for the road. Yep. And when my flag goes back in outfitry. I have a quick question. How y'all doing with the heat out there, man? Mr. Chatter, when the heat, them going to want taxi. Come back home in the heat again, going to want taxi. Oh, no manage, Chat. How are you guys managing? Chat, you're coming with my know. I'm going to stop right here, so. Yeah, beautiful.
What's it done? What's it need?
Oh, your bag it up already? Oh, cucumber. One cucumber. And then they're pretty. Bad. How much for half dozen banana? You understand half dozen?
I'm going to sell half of them.
So how much for the half dozen?
3 bills.
3 bills. How much for the 1 dozen?
Right.
Then it's supposed to be 250.
No, unless you buy them more.
Then,
no. It's a wholesale.
no, sir. So the coconut is native or local?
Native.
Native. So I don't know the difference.
Shape.
Shape? Well, I don't know the difference.
You need one?
No. Just the cucumber. Oh, you never got the cucumber? Alright, so in a juicy now, chat. What is that? soup. Three days banana. 2, 4, 6. So $300, half dozen banana. Supposed to be 250, you know. 250. Right. Cucumber. Ginger. One thing for them ginger always look nice and healthy. Ginger. Carrot. Beetroot. Go beetroots. That's nuts. Alright, chicken soup. I think a juicy soup here always tastes good. Not gonna mean in this. So there's 2 pieces na avid no meat. The chicken with soup or chicken soup avid meat, but mainly source of food and soup in there. One round dumpling in night chat. Piece of yam and it's dashing pork. No, no, no. I buy this for $100. Q-tip, $100. Cotton swabs. And I buy medical double mints. Anywho, what's in the box? What's in the box? This is just one item. One item in the box. And this item I did not bought it. Alright, so this is it. Like I said, I did not buy it. It's a charger with an adapter. So first was today we'll try and haul it in our, I think 1 or 2 items coming, so you get a little try and haul video. That's that. Some like when the wire them long. So when they pan the bed because I have a socket over on the right hand side of my bed. When they pan my phone, I can twist left to right and use my charger. And I can catch up with the phone, so for use it, the charger. Roll over, boom, flick anything we want to do because I have a long length charger or charging cable. This is the adapter. Alright, so let's see if the cable work and the adapter work. Plug it in. The adapter big door. Let's see.
The phone at the locker. Murder! Charger coming. Guys, no conversation. When they work on the phone.
Alright, it works. Alright, good, it works. Okay, long too.
Locker. Murder!
Like them long wire here. Yeah. So it works. I'll take some of the fan breeze. Ooh. Lemon lime taste. Lemon heavy. It's dry. So I take off the jean shorts, it turns into a dress. Ooh. The textile now I'm a bun cloth. Try same thing. If anything you take the wrap over back in. How hot is the day? But I do add something as I finish the bedroom, I put beard. Wash off the dust, wash off the sweat off of my skin.